But what we just saw, which I'm optimistic about at CES, is this announcement of this new keyboard with it essentially integrated. It's a Corsair keyboard, $349.99 retail. It's still on pre-order. And so to the right of the numeric keypad, they've integrated various Stream Deck controls, some of the physical buttons, two knobs, touchscreen component with a lot of feedback. So this is great. Not great for left-handed folks like myself, but still great. But the whole reason I'm talking about this is because I hope someone who hears the sound of my voice makes a keyboard with this. That's all I want, is just a whole keyboard where every button is one of these programmable buttons, because I use different overlays for various software, and it would be great for it to be contextual. And when I go into different apps, all of the buttons on the keyboard are customizable. So someone please make this.